This is the elevator at the Lisburn train station. It's a ThyssenKrupp MRL, and it's coming down now, and it features on level 1. Here it is, the 0. Let's get in. Let's go 1.
Whoop whoop.
Button doesn't light up for 1.
It's so slow.
It's so slow. Capacity is 630 kilos, 8 persons, built in 2007. 18 years ago. Here we're at 1, but when they went out, I think it must be opened up over here. Let's go down to lift 2. Nice evening. It's a lovely evening. The trains must be left. Yeah. And here it is. I think we lost the elevator on level 0, so let's call it. Watch it go up. Here it is at 1. It's what's similar to the other one. Down to 0. Star button. And they have the same capacity just like the other one. Here we are at 0. Back up to 1. The button does light up for level 1. It's got 2 sets of indicators, 2 sets of indicators as well. It's got the light fixtures up at the ceiling. Here we're at 1 again. Screw down and lift 1 to your cab view. That's the old water tunnel used for steam trains only. And here it is. Let's ride it. It's waiting on me. Back to 0. Buttons on both sides. 2 sets of indicators on both sides. Focus camera. There we go. Here we are back down at 0. It's got the light fixtures up to the ceiling just like the other one. Now we can exit and watch it close up. It's taken a long time, and that's it.